Hi, I'm Brandon Doe, and welcome to a TED Talk video about computer science. There are questions that people tend to ask themselves about this major. One of them would be about why they want to go with it and what they can develop. However, there are also other things that have been asked. Let's get started with the basics before going on to the detail. The first question that I'll start off with is the definition of computer science, because it is the number one question that people tend to ask a lot. It is a study that involves computers along with computing method. When people follow this type of major, it has different studies of data and algorithms, design of network and computer, and data model. Now, what are the reasons for people to choose this major? Well, it gives people an idea of their future career, and if they want to follow it, what they can also do is develop different skills. Example of those would be problem solving, higher thinking, and logic. However, some of us may be a little bit confused about the difference between computer science and computer engineering, even me. After doing a bunch of research, I found out that computer science is focusing on topics relating to theories of computers, and software is part of it. For computer engineering, instead of focusing on software, it mostly focuses on hardware. If you want to follow this type of major, there are class requirements that need to be taken. Those classes are Calculus 1, Physics 1, Computer Science 1, Biology 1, and Chemistry 1. When you want to study computer science, it will combine all of the things that we've learned relating to math. However, it will also include a new theory called graphing theory. Most of the time, you will have to learn discrete math that requires a lot of proof. Now, there are many challenges for those who are planning to or are currently studying this major. One of them would be increasing the skills you have along with your knowledge, because as time flies, there will be new technologies. This means that your learning path isn't over yet. You'll have to learn continuously in order to stay on track. On the other hand, the good thing about this major is that you can find a lot of jobs relating to it. The top 5 that are beneficial are IT, project manager, software developer, web developer, video game developer, and AI engineer. All these jobs are worth it because their salaries are over $50,000. I know, right? That sure is a lot of money. What you can do with these careers are helping out with creating websites and layouts, making video games, and more. The schools that you can find if these careers make you intrigued are USC, UCI, or UCLA. Okay, I've been talking a lot about the details for this major. The last thing to point out is some advice for the beginners who are interested in computer science in order to wrap up this video. My advice for you guys are to use your free resources and books to study. Have a class that can teach you more about it, along with the basics of programming, and practice your coding skills that you've learned during your free time. I recommend you all to use Khan Academy, Codecademy, Udemy, and W3 schools to practice your coding. It will take a long time to become an expert, but you always have to be patient. Remember, it is always important to work smart, not hard. From there, you will be able to achieve what you want to become once you get the idea of the basics for this major. Thank you for watching, and I hope that those of you who are interested in this major will be able to find a job in the future. Peace out.